we're about to start singing on here.
Hey.
There we go.
What part of this project moved you personally or creatively?
Personally or creatively? Personally or creatively? I think the overall experience of doing this project during Art Basel was like a huge moment for me. The fact that I came here without too many clear plans, it wasn't something that I strategically planned. It kind of just fell into my lap. I'm doing something for my mother's home country, Jamaica, charity work. I'm here in beautiful weather. It was just layered in such a lovely way that, I'm just happy to have participated. And I'm grateful for Damn Good Lifestyle and Aloha Farms for this opportunity.
What does this mirror say about you as an artist at this time, at this moment in your career?
What does this mural say about my artistry right now? That I'm in a flow state. I'm in a flow state. I think this is a beautiful reflection of not my portfolio per se, but kind of how open I am to receiving and the opportunities and future work that I plan to do. I want it to feel like this. I want it to feel good.
Do you usually do abstract or is your type of art something a little different?
It's a lot different. I actually paint portraits, and so doing something abstract was a little outside of my element, but I think art is meant to feel like something, and it doesn't always have to be analytical and getting every detail right. It doesn't need to reference anything other than good energy for me.
Yeah. But despite that, I think that's why it's analytical and it gets it right. You know what I mean? Because
everybody will get a different feel.
No, exactly.
Yeah.
Because visual, they say the scene, what we see in front of us is 3% of reality. You know what I mean? And what we see is just based off of how the light reflects and how our brain perceives that. Our brain is on the inside, and it never really gets the outside world to experience it. So at the end of the day, everything is just a signal. We'll take it in, but I'm saying that your art, it's capturing that signal. It probably captures it realer and better than a particular image that we made.
Yeah, I agree. Thank you for that.
Okay, I have one more question for you. How has this project changed the way that you think about art's role in this world?
How do I think it's changed the way I view art in the world?
Like doing a humanitarian project like this.
Oh, it was really fulfilling and not self-serving whatsoever. So not necessarily blood, but definitely sweat and tears to get this thing done.
Yeah.
And for that, I'm still grateful. So I would hope to do more philanthropic work in the future.
Okay.
Was it more tears or more sweat?
It was a lot of sweat. 80% sweat, 20% tears.
Indeed.
Do we have any charities to shout out? That people can donate to?
We will put link in the description.
Okay.
And once again, this is what the artist at. So what the artist at here on Damn Good Radio. Great. You've been great.
Thank you. Thank you, Takia.
Thank you for having me. It was a pleasure.
It's amazing.
Take a shot.
Shot it twice.
Hey, baby.